Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this session 8th Mathematics. The topic is Division of Polynomials Part 1st. In this session, we are going to discuss with Introduction to Polynomial, Degree of a Polynomial, to divide a monomial by a monomial, and to divide a polynomial by a monomial. Friends, this is an important topic, that is division of polynomials. In this previous year, we have studied how to perform the addition, subtraction and multiplication on algebraic expressions. It's very necessary that you have to recall the things related to this topic, this chapter that you have already learned. In this chapter, we are going to discuss on the following important subtopics. That is introduction to the polynomial, degree of a polynomial, to divide a monomial by a monomial, to divide a polynomial by a monomial, polynomials. Friends, let us recall that with some examples where we are going to fill in the blanks. So first is 2a plus 3a, which will be equal to dash dash dash. So the solution for this will be 2a plus 3a, which is equal to 5a. Here a is the common, so 2 plus 3 is 5 and 5a will be the answer. Second, 7b minus 4b. Again, we have to find the subtraction of those two. Here b is the common variable, so we can say 7 minus 4, which will be 3. Then b is the variable, so the result 7b minus 4b is 3b. 3p into p square. Here the product is there. In order to have a solution of this, we must have to use the laws of indices, like a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. So here p is rather than a. The 3p, p has the index or the power as 1. So 1 plus 2, that will be 3. So the result will be 3p cube. Fourth one, 5m square into 3m square. Here again we have to use the same laws of indices, that is a raised to m is into a raised to n will be equal to a raised to m plus n. So, and the product of the coefficients 5 and 3, that we have to consider. Here the product of this 5 into 3, that will be 15, and m raised to 2 plus 2, that is m raised to 4. So the answer for this product will be 15 m raised to 4. Next, we will see the fifth one. In one bracket there is 2x plus 5. It is to be multiplied by 3 upon x. The solution of this will be (2x plus 5) in the bracket into 3 upon x will be equal to 2x into 3 upon x plus 5y into 3 upon x. Here x, 2x, the x from that, and 3 upon x from here, these two get cancelled, and you are getting 3 into 2 as a 6 plus 5 3s are 15 y upon x. 3x square plus 4y in one bracket and 2x plus 3y in the another bracket. So we have to find out the result for this. So it will be 3x square plus 4y in one bracket, 2x plus 3y in the other bracket. Here it will be 3x square into 2x plus 3y plus 4y into 3x plus 2x plus 3y. So we'll solve this bracket. 3x square into 2x is 6x cube plus 3 3s are 9x square y plus 8xy. 4 2s are 8, y into x, xy plus 4 3s are 12, y into y, that is y square. So friends, let us see the introduction to the polynomials. If index of each term of an algebraic expression in one variable is a whole number, then the expression is called a polynomial. For example, x square plus 2x plus 3, here 3y square plus 2y square plus y plus 5 are the polynomials in one variable. Polynomials are specific algebraic expressions. Hence, the operations of addition, subtraction and multiplication on polynomials are similar to those were formed on the algebraic expressions. For example, 3x square in minus 2x in one bracket into 4x cube minus 3x square another bracket. We have to multiply first 3x square bracket, that is 4x cube minus 3x square. So multiply now 3x square into 4x cube plus 3x square into minus of 3x square minus 2x into 4x square minus 2x into minus 3x square. So here we will get this 4 3s are 12, x raised to 5, x square into x cube is x raised to 5, since we are here using a raised to m into a raised to n is equal to a raised to m plus n. Next is 3 3s are 9, the minus sign, this minus 3x square, x square into x square x raised to 4. Here 4 2s are 8, minus sign will be there, minus 2x is there, therefore x into x cube, that is x fourth. So plus 3 2s are 6, minus minus, that will be plus x into x cube, that is x raised to 3. So the answer of this product is 12x raised to 5 minus 9x raised to 4 minus 8x 4 plus 6x cube. Let us consider the next. The answer that will be 12x raised to 5 minus 17x raised to 4, means 9x raised to 4 and minus 8x raised to 4, those get added, plus x raised to cube. Degree of a polynomial. The greatest index of the variable in the given polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Friends, a polynomial's degree is the highest or the greatest power of the variable in a polynomial. So the degree indicates the highest exponential power in the polynomial. Let us take an example. 5x4 plus 3x cube plus 8 is a polynomial. Here 5x4, 3x cube, 8 are the terms, where 5x raised to 4 is a leading term and 8 is a constant term. So the coefficient is 4. Degree of a polynomial, that is degree this monomial with the greatest exponent. For example, 9 is the polynomial. If you consider it is a monomial, actually the degree is 0. x1 plus 4, that is 1 is the degree. X square plus x1 plus, that is minus 5 will 2. 2x cube plus 12 11x square, that is 3. X square y cube plus 0x4 plus y raised to 1 will be 5. 3 and 2 x square y cube. So 5 is the degree. Friends, now let us consider how to divide a monomial by a monomial. Dividing a monomial x by a monomial y means finding a monomial z such that x is equal to yz, and we can write it as x divided by y is equal to z. Rules for dividing a monomial by a monomial. Friends, number 1 rule: the coefficient of the quotient of two monomials is equal to the coefficient of their coefficients. Rule 2: the variable part in the quotient of two monomials is equal to the quotient of the variable in a given monomials. For example, you could see that divide this 15p cube divided by 3p. So here you will get that division is the opposite operation of this multiplication. For division of this 15p cube upon 3p, we find the multiplier of 3p, which will give the product 15p raised to 3. p square. So friends, let us, you could see here 15p cube, it is divided by 3p, you are getting the product of 3p and 5p square as a 15p square. So 5p square here will be the quotient and remainder is 0. To divide a polynomial by a monomial. Division of polynomial by a monomial means dividing the polynomials which is written as a numerator by a monomial which is written as a denominator to find the quotient. For example, let us consider here that 6x cube plus 8x square is divided by 2x. You could see in the adjoining solution 6x cube plus 8x square, it is divided 2x. Here 6x cube plus 8x square is the dividend, 2x is the divisor. So first 2x into how much is 6x square, that you will getting 3x square. In the box you could see in the blue black box that 3x square is the first term of this question. So the product of this 2x into 3x square is the 6x cube, that is written 6x cube, dividend below that. So 6x square minus 6x cube minus 6x cube get cancelled, 0 is that, and you have to take from the dividend next term, that is 8x square. So this 2x is multiplied by what? In the explanation, second part you could see 2x is multiplied by what? You are getting 8x square, that is the 4x, that is in the blue box. That will be the next term of the quotient. So this 2x into 4x, that you are getting as a 8x square. So the subtraction of that gives you 0. Therefore here you are getting quotient as more example we will consider, that is 5x fourth minus 3x cube plus 4x square plus 2x minus 6 divided by x square. X square is a monomial and the dividend, which is a polynomial. Along with the explanation we will consider this one. The first term from this dividend is 5x fourth. So x square is multiplied by what term? So you are getting a 5x fourth. So that will be 5x cube, that is shown in the blue box. That 5x cube x square will become the first term. So this 5x square into x square, that give 5x raised to 4. So below this division dividend we are writing this 5x fourth, the result is 0. We will consider the next terms of this dividend, that is minus 3x square plus 4x square plus 2x minus 6. Here the first term is minus 3x square. So x square is multiplied by what term? So you are getting a 3x cube, that is minus 3x. So in the quotient second term is minus 3x square, minus 3x into x square, that give minus 3x cube, so that get cancelled and what left is 0. Next terms are 4x square plus 2x minus 6. Now x square is multiplied by what term? Therefore you are getting a 4x square. So that will be 4x square, 0. Next term 2x minus 6. As here x square, which is a divisor, has greater power rather than the next term 2x minus 6. The division stops here. And what you getting is quotient as 5x square minus 3x plus 4 and the remainder as 2x minus 6. What we have studied today is, in this session we discussed on the following subtopics of this chapter, that is introduction to the polynomial, friends. Will you try this? That is fill in the blanks in the following examples. That is 3b plus 7b is equal to what? 5k minus 12k is equal to that 3p minus 8p square is equal to what? 9m square into 7m square is equal to what? In one bracket 5x plus 11y into 3 upon x is equal to dot. So next sixth one, that is 2x square plus 6y in bracket 4x plus 5y in the other bracket. What will be the result? Friends, till now I think you have understood, but you should not forget the famous words by Stephen Bannon. Mathematics is the most beautiful and most powerful creation of the human spirit. So understand this wording. So if you like this video, please subscribe, share with your friends. With these words, I would like to say thank you.